okay, maybe we can talk about day trader versus long-term investors, right? As you can see in here in this website, right? So basically, it tells us many people also kind of ask this kind of question every time, right? So should I be a day trader or a long-term investor? So maybe we can break it down by using this website information, right? So basically, for me personally, it both actually aim to make money, but their strategies and mindset are very different, right? So for day trader, as you can see, high multiple trades per day. For long-term investor, trade few per month or year. So basically, day trader, for those who are asking, traders who buys and sell asset within a single day to profit from short-term price movement only. While for long investor, they are the person who buy asset to hold for month or year, betting on long-term growth. So basically, there are some risk involved in here, but the things that we need to know for day trader, usually the position held for maybe minutes or maybe hours, right? Then while for long-term investor, usually they don't really watch the chart consistently, because they don't really react to the daily price swing, right? So for long-term investor, profit comes from overall growth rather than short-term swing. But for day trader, they actually react to the small price movement that can give them a quick profit, but mistakes can be very costly, right? So that's why in here we can actually see high trader requires a high advanced trading skills and strategies, while long-term investor moderate only. So moderate. So focusing on long-term investment knowledge, right? So just now I'm telling you guys, holding period shorts, second to hours, long months to years. So this is very different to both of them, right? Okay, so I'm going to give some example. For example, for day trader, so usually when they buy bitcoins, for example, so buy bitcoins, maybe right now at 90k. So I just bought it. Probably I'm a day trader, right? I just bought it this morning, like 90k, and then after it hits 95 or 90.5k in the afternoon, so I'm just going to let it go and then sell it and then collect the small profit. So profit is quick, but you need to constant attention. Of course, you can also use stop loss. You can set your TP stop loss. You can also start small, and you can also don't overtrade. So this is something that this is something usually day trader needs as a pro. It's like a pro tip for a beginner, right? For long-term investor, this is kind of the example only. So basically, they buy Bitcoin at 90k, and then they hold it for 2 years, probably expecting growth to 120k, for example, right? For example, so they only focus on asset that they believe in the future that could both this kind of higher percentage, right? So let's continue. So fund required, right? High. They need a lot of asset, a lot of capital. Okay, because usually they will collecting a small profit. So that's why maybe they will open a lot of trades. So that's why they need a lot of capital. While for the long-term investor, moderate only, depends on the investment strategy. So I have a lot of friends in you call it as a day trader, but I don't have any friends that trade a long-term. I don't have a friend that trades for such a long term, right? Because of this kind of long term, I'm not sure how they behave. I'm not sure how they put the strategy in. I think it's really different, right? So the potential earning variable, high potential but high risk of loss, steady, generally more consistent returns over time. Okay. So next is risk, day trader high, long-term investor lower. This is, we already discussed about that. Okay, so whether you are trade daily or invest for years, depends on your personality. So depends on your personality. Like I just said just now, I don't really know about long-term investor, and then you can we also need to have a risk tolerance and also the lifestyle, right? So it really depends on these three things, I would say. But the most important thing is you need to know your style, manage your risk, and stick to your plan. Okay, so I think this is quite interesting for me to talk about it, because the more we know, the more we learn about our behavior, especially when you are learning about if you are just started your journey in trading, right? So it's really important because you kind of know what exactly are you what style are you doing the trading and all that, right? So I guess that will be all for this discussion. Maybe we can talk about it even more if someone in the comment or in the chat suggests me about this one. Okay.